Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to a&aglitter. So today we are opening number 17 of the a&aglitter calendar. I'm getting very sad, it's coming to an end. Pop you there, right. Oh, that's pretty. So this, keep getting to zoom you in. This is candy cane. Oh, you can't even see. There you go. Candy cane seasonal mix. Oh, that's pretty. So we've got some matte white hexagons, which are large, and then there's some smaller one, and there's some red hexagons in different sizes, and then there is a fine white iridescent glitter that has like a red hint to it, tinge, whatever it's called. It looks pretty. So we are going to swatch. See how this beauty looks. Big ass bead. This is very pretty. I like that the, what is it called, people? Help me. The fine. The fine glitter. It's really pretty. Oh god, but there's an air bubble going on there. Here we go. Don't think that you're going to see that fine glitter. Yeah, there you go. When it goes out of focus, I think you can see it more. But that's pretty. I like that one a lot. Well done, a&aglitter. Beautiful. So that one is called Candy Cane Seasonal Mix. Pretty. Right, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please take good care of yourselves, and you will see me tomorrow. Bye bye.